how to create a blog on a Webflow. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create a blog on a Webflow. So if you want to start your own blog and showcase your content in a beautiful and customizable way, Webflow is a fantastic platform to use it. So it has a powerful yet user-friendly interface that lets you design and build websites without needing to know how to code. So with its easy drag and drop features and lots of design options, you can create a website that looks amazing without any hassle. Okay, now let's get started. So to begin, the first step is to visit webflow.com. So once you are there, just click on the Get Started button. So this will take you to the sign up page where you'll need to provide your work email address. So after entering your details, you can click on Create Account. Alternatively, you can also have the option to create an account using your Google account. So I'll go with this option. Okay, so once you have created your account, you'll be directed to the Webflow dashboard. This is where you can manage and edit various websites. So, for example, here you can, as you can see, a website that was previously created. So the dashboard provides an overview of all the websites you have created, and from this section, you can easily access and make edits to your website. Okay, so to begin editing your website, you have a couple of options. One way is to simply click on the Open Designer, which will take you to the editing page. And the other is you can click on the three dots here next to the website and choose the various actions such as archive, moving to a folder, sharing, or opening in the editor. So to create a new website, just click on the new site from the right side of the page. Okay, so it will redirect you to the page where you can choose a template for your blog websites. So as you can see here, there's a wide range of templates available to choose from, which will serve as a starting point for creating your own website. So here, most of these templates have a cost associated with them, as indicated on the page. So it's important to note that the premium templates often offer the best features and design options, but they come with a higher price tag. So in addition to the paid templates, there are also free templates available for use. So here you can find these free templates by just clicking on the drop down and choose for free templates. So these templates can be used without any restrictions, regardless of your purpose or usage. So we will be using one of these free templates. Okay, so here on the left side of the page, you will see a filter section that provides various options for customization. So you can choose between different tags, categories, language, styles, and features to narrow down your search and filter out templates that meet your specific requirements. So in our case, we'll be creating a blog, so we can use the filter option to find templates that are specifically designed for blog websites. So to filter the website specifically for blog websites, click on the popular tags option and select blog. This will narrow down the templates displayed to those designed for blog websites. But please note that many of these templates may have a cost associated with them. So it's possible that there may not be specific version that is completely free for blogs. So in such cases, we will need to go back and explore the free versions of the templates available to us. Okay, so here, just simply click on the one you prefer, and this will allow you to access the specific template. So as you can see here, there's an option that says use for free. So just click on that and start editing it. Okay, so after clicking on use for free, it may take a moment to load. So here, just simply click on the create site option. So once loaded, you will be prompted to provide a name for your website. So you can name it whatever you want, but in this case, let me just stick with the suggested name for now. Okay, here, just click on create site to proceed. Okay, so after clicking on create site, the system will process the information you provided, and it may take a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. So now you will be redirected to the editing page. Okay, now we are on the editor page of Webflow, where you can make changes and customize your website. So at first, the screen might seem overwhelming, especially if you are new to it. But with time and effort and by exploring different sections, you'll be comfortable using the platform. So here you are looking at our blog template. You can change the view of your website by clicking on the options at the top. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and phone views, both in portrait and landscape modes. So these options let you see how your blog will look on a different devices. So for now, let's stick with the desktop view to continue editing the different parts of our website. So to edit a specific section of your website, just simply hover your cursor over that section and click on it. So this section will allow you to access the editing options for that particular section. Like here, you can select the heading type and customize it using the options available on the right side of the screen. And here you can modify the blog title, adjust layouts, manage display settings, spacing, size. So similarly, if you click on an image, you'll see details about which page it will be linked to when clicked. So in this case, the image is currently linked to the current blog post. And the other is there's an option called preload, which relates to preloading behavior of an image. Okay, so we also have link settings option where we can access and modify the settings related to the specific link. Well, this allows us to control where the link directs visitors when clicked. Okay, so here on the left side of the screen, you will find the navigator, which provides an overview of the structure of your website. It displays the entire body of the website along with the various components as you can see here. So this navigator is where you can manage and organize the different links and pages that are used in your website. So in this part, it might seem a little confusing at first, but you will have all the necessary options available to you. Okay, so to add things to your website, just go to the add section over here. So here you'll find different options like layouts, basic elements, typography, content management system, CMS, media, forms, and advanced features. So under layouts, you'll see pre-made layouts that can help you structure your website. So basic elements is where you'll find commonly used things like headings, paragraphs, links, text boxes, codes, text formatting, and so on. So the CMS option lets you manage dynamic content on your website. You can also add media like images, videos, and audio files. And if you need forms for people to interact with, check out the forms section here. Okay, so in addition to the options mentioned earlier, there are also different pre-designed layouts available for us. So if you wish to explore more layouts option, you can browse through the libraries provided by Webflow over here. These libraries offer a wide range of ready-made layouts that you can use. And the other is here on the pages, you can access and navigate through your different pages, such as home page, about page, contact, and all the posts page. So each time you select a page, it will redirect you to the specific page for editing. Okay, so in addition to hovering and clicking, you can also double click on specific section to edit it directly. And here you have the access to the style manager, which allows you to manage and customize the overall style of your website. And also there's a feature called interactions that allows you to add dynamic effects and animations to your website. And you can create interactions based on different triggers, like when a specific element is clicked or when a new page is loaded. After you have finished editing your website and you are satisfied with the change, you can publish it. So to do this, just simply click on the publish button located at the right corner. And here, as you can see, Webflow provides two publishing options, staging and production. So choosing the staging option allows you to publish your website to a staging environment. This will help you to preview and test your website before making it available to the public. And on the other hand, selecting the production option lets you publish your website with a custom domain if you have one. Okay, so to publish your website, all you need to do is just clicking on the publish option here. Okay, so just by visiting the website, you can view its entire page and access its all functionalities. I hope you get the information what you need. So thank you for watching.